Tenpenny, you motherfucking piece of shit. I ain't letting you get away with all you've done.
Sweet, no! Hang on, Sweet!
I'ma piss on your corpse, Tenpenny. I ain't losing this fool. Oh, shit! CJ, do something.
Just keep hanging on, bro!
Oh man, that was a close call. I ain't letting this bastard go.
Let go, you dumb bastard!
Fuck you, bitch.
Gotcha! Take the wheel, it's payback time.
Motherfucker, take that pig bastard down. The fire trucks are indestructible. They ain't gonna dim it. Watch our six. Cops on our tail. Now those riders coming up. This city's going nuts. I'll keep up with Tenpenny, don't you worry. Concentrate on keeping all these other lunatics off our back, CJ. Riders on the bridge up ahead. They're dropping shit from that bridge. Look out, CJ. Watch our six. Some riders after us on black. Look out, CJ. Crazy bikers on a rampage. I'm on Tenpenny, he ain't getting away. Cops on our tail. Cops up ahead. Where all these assholes come from?
Down in flank! Down in flank!
That's my door.
It's over, Tenpenny. Oh! I'ma stop you, motherfucker!
He's losing control.
We got the motherfucker!
Come on, assholes! I'll take you all! You're mine! Mine! I run this town! Hey! Over here! Hey! Officer down, come on! Hey! Assholes! You never understood what I did. 50 of me, and this town would be okay. I took the trash out. I did. And I'd do it all again.
Don't do it, man. He's gone.
I just want to be sure it's over, man. That's all.
It's cool. Don't need to put a bullet in him. He killed himself in a traffic accident. No one to blame. Let's roll.
I mean, far out, man. You know, I mean, you beat the system. I tried for 30 years to cross over, but you managed it, man. I mean, man, you're an icon, man.
Oh, thanks, man.
I'm just glad it's finally over.
What's up with Smoke?
You know what's up with Smoke. He always saw things a little different than us.
Smoke? Smoke was always on his own, always out for self.
That is the surest path to hell, man. Well, that or 15 microdots and an ounce of mescaline.
Let's go get something to eat.
Sounds good to me.
See you around, officer. Hey, now that everything is cool, we gotta stay on top of our game. Keep everything in check, but subtle.
We got problems in Venturas, problems in San Fierro. Shit's never ending.
For sure. I mean, the family's back on their feet, but we gotta keep shit tight. Because a lot of people has got their eyes on us.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I come in peace with Mr. Dog here, who has an announcement.
Our first gold record!
Yeah,
baby! Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, they heard about
I
it.
decided to get breast implants.
Fuck
Loco, is it?
Joke on.
Anyway, what's next?
We should hit the casinos, roll some dice with Woozie.
Nah, we gotta take care of shit here first.
We going on tour, fam!
Has anyone got a tissue? My nose is, it won't stop running. Is that, anybody?
Yeah, I have. Over here.
I'll pass.
Carl, where are you off to now?
Finna hit the block. See what's happening. rights to be a
Yo,
hoe.
mama. His speed ain't turning up in the vehicle. Get the hell out of my face. They better pick up around here soon. You know I'm the bottom bitch.
I know it's you, you stinking perro.
Look, just say what you gotta say. I ain't interested in the stupid games.
Stupid games? This is my heart you play with.
What? Look, you... Damn! Gotta change my number.
Who is this buster-ass Mark?